step by step. Now it's time to color her hair in yellow color. I love her long hair. I am coloring her chest with pink color. And her shoulder with blue color. I am coloring first layer in red color. Orange color. Now I am coloring her dress layers with rainbow colors. Subscribe us for more videos. Light green color. Sky color. Pink color. Purple color. Blue color. Dark pink color. Orange color. Sky blue color. Dark pink color. I am coloring her crown in light green color.